Hi everyone. For this week's discussion, I selected the ISO IEC 2700 Information Security Management White Paper, published by TÜV SÜD. This paper focuses on how organizations can establish, implement, maintain, and continuously improve an information security management system, commonly known as ISMS. This topic directly relates to Chapter 2 and 3 because both chapters emphasize the importance of security management systems, risk assessment, organizational policies, security controls, and continuous improvement in protecting information assets. ISO IEC 27001 is an internationally recognized standard for information security management. Its purpose is to help organizations protect sensitive information through a structured and systematic approach. The white paper explains the organization's use of 27001 to identify risks, implement appropriate security controls, and create policies that protect information from unauthorized access, alteration, or loss. This directly supports Chapter 2, which discusses how organizations use 27001 as a framework for developing security management systems. This chapter explains that certification demonstrates an organization's commitment to manufacture effective security controls and continuous improvement in its security posture. The Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. One of the most important concepts discussed in both the white paper and Chapter 2 is the Plan, Do, Check, Act, or PDCA cycle. Plan phase involves identifying risks and developing security policies. The Do phase focuses on implementing security controls and procedures. The Check phase evaluates whether these controls are working effectively through audits and monitoring. The Act phase involves making improvements based on findings and addressing any weaknesses that are discovered. This cycle creates a culture of continuous improvement. Rather than treating security as a one-time project, organizations continuously evaluate and strengthen their security programs as threats evolve. Security controls, roles, and responsibilities. The paper also emphasizes the importance of clearly defined roles and responsibilities within an organization. Chapter 3 discusses several important security roles, including executive management, security officers, IT personnel, system administrators, and end users. Effective security requires participation from everyone in the organization. The white paper explains that security controls alone are not enough. Organizations must establish policies, provide employee training, assign responsibilities, and ensure management support for the security initiatives. This reinforces a major lesson from both chapters. Information security is not solely a technical issue. It is a business and organizational responsibility that requires cooperation across all departments. Another key topic discussed in the paper is risk management. Organizations must identify threats, assess vulnerabilities, and implement controls that reduce the likelihood and impact of security instances. Chapter 3 highlights similar concepts through frameworks such as FISMA and other security standards. Both the white paper and the text stresses that security investments should be based on risk assessments and business needs. Implementing ISO 27001 can provide several business benefits. These include improved protection of sensitive information, increased customer confidence, regulatory compliance, reduced security incidences, and stronger business continuously planning. In conclusion, ISO IEC 27001 paper provides an excellent example of how organizations can implement a comprehensive information security management system. The concept discussed closely aligns with chapters 2 and 3, including security management systems, risk assessment, security policies, organizational responsibilities, and continuous improvement through the plan, do, check, act cycle. My key takeaway is that successful information security requires more than technology. It requires leadership, employee participation, effective policies, risk management, and a commitment to continued improvement. Organizations that follow this framework, such as the ISO 27001, are better positioned to protect their information assets and responsibilities effectively to evolving security threats. My name is James Kelly, and thank you for watching.